Hi guys, this is Robert Rivera with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trading Academy. I'm going to make a third attempt here on the NASDAQ flip. But unfortunately for us today, it's a news day, right? It was CPI. We also had inflation rate information. So the market has already moved significantly. This is the daily, this is the high, this is the low. If I go lower, look at this 1 hour candle. Look at the continuation, right? This is the 8 o'clock. This is the 9 o'clock now. This is the 9 o'clock. This is the 8:30. Look at this move. And here's basically what I've been trying to demonstrate to you guys. If we go all the way down to the 5 minute, that's what it looks like. Go down to the 1 minute. Let's go look at what it looks like. There you go. This is the 1 minute candle. This is the 1 minute candle, okay? It dropped, faked like it was going down, okay? Then flipped and took off, all right? That's the move that you usually see during the week. Now, not this dramatic, but you do see that move during the week. So, since the market has already moved significantly and there is no telling how much more it's going to move before it makes a retracement, it will be a mistake, by the way, to think that because it moved this much that it has to come back. That would not be accurate. Okay, it could still keep going up based on the numbers, which were worse than expected. And so the index took off. This is the nice, beautiful consolidation that it had before the takeoff. This is what I like to trade. Okay, this is what should be traded. This whole thing right here, not likely. Okay, I'm not likely to be able to demonstrate a flip today because again, the market is so bullish at the moment. Basically, I'm looking for some sort of retracement before a position can be taken. Okay, and there has been no pullback at the moment. It had just kept going and going and going. Okay, so unsure that I'll be able to demonstrate anything. I have lowered my risk today significantly so as to avoid, losing the gains for the week. And I'm just going to see what sets up and see if I can take it from the daily. It's reached an area of rejection already, but doesn't mean it cannot keep going up. Let's go to the weekly, see what the weekly looks like. Okay, so it was bearish for quite a while. Now it's pushing up. It doesn't mean it's bullish yet. If you notice, it's still below these previous two candles. So the trend has not changed yet. Trend has not changed. All right, it has not broken structure. When this moved up, it did not break this structure. Okay, now that this is moving up, it hasn't broken that structure. So we're still bearish, right? And if anything here on the daily, it looks more like a consolidation. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. Obviously, that is no longer consolidation here in the 4 hour. Broke pretty nicely. Okay, and there's just no structure that I can see. Well, there you go. There you go. Perhaps we can go by what's going on over here. Okay, and anticipate some sort of structure here that will begin to reject. We shall see. Certainly a pullback of some kind. All right, we have about 40 seconds before we get going. So I'm going to shut up and pay attention to what's going on the chart. Okay. All right, here we go. So far, no retracement. It just kept going up. Anywhere in here, though, it could reject. It is at supply. Let's see what happens. There's a flip. Let's see what we get out of this flip. You're paying close attention. This is still very bullish. I'm not going to mess around with this. Need to be able to get about 15 pips out of this. I'm going to justify holding it. Price is still struggling. Sip up my coffee. $33 seconds for this candle to close. There you go. Still holding. There you go. There you go. 9 seconds. I'm going to take profit here in a minute. There you go. I took it at 17. Because we're extremely bullish, and this next candle could just take off. If this candle breaks the low, then perhaps it will come down and keep coming down for a real retracement. But as of right now, the market is extremely bullish. This is not something to hold right now. There is no indication that this is coming down yet. That was just a 5-minute candle based on where it is on the higher time frame. Anticipating some sort of rejection here. Okay, the candle flipped, so I took it, but the safer trade would be to wait for 15-minute candle or 30-minute candle to close bearish, and then the break of that low. So again, like in the last couple of days, very little volume at the open. Of course, what's to be expected? It already had a whole ton of volume going up. So that just padded my week, and I think I'm going to go ahead and close for the day. I'm not interested in this right here. It would be to, again, make a proper 15-minute or 30-minute close, and then I could probably take a sell if it actually did close bearish. But right now it's still super bullish. The red line delineates where the day began, so it's rejecting the high of the day at the moment. And that probably would have been about 30 pips right there. I took about 16, almost 17, not quite. So, and that's probably going to be it for today. Again, the reason why I like indices, I can go in and be done for the day in 7-8 minutes, which is what happened just here, just now. I know some people would say, well, this is very risky, Robert. What you did there was very risky. And that is true. It was risky based on the fact that it is all bullish, 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 bullish. I'm counting on the fact that it needs to make it do a retracement, and the initial move up and then the consequently move down, which was the flip that I'm looking for, happened exactly like I was expecting it to happen. And so since it happened exactly as I expected it to happen, then I went in. Okay. And stop would have been, if this broke the high, then that would have been the stop, but it kept going down. And as you can tell, right now it's still going down. Okay, that's going to be it for today, guys. I got hurricane recovery responsibilities, and so I'm going to focus on that, and put stuff back where it belongs and all that other jazz that you do after you put it away during a hurricane. All right, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye. God bless you.